Do you still use hard disk for your cyber cafe? Have you experienced this before? Imagine, installing one PC takes about 6 hours to complete. So, installing 5 PCs would take 30 hours. What if the PC is infected with a network virus and it spreads to all PCs connected to the same network? Oops! Not only have you wasted time, you've wasted effort and manpower. Hard disks have a lifespan. If the hard disk is spoiled, all data is lost. You will need to spend extra money to buy new hard disks. In most cyber cafes, internet becomes slow during a game patch. Customers become unhappy of slow connection and leave the cafe. This will lead to a drop in business. With Microsoft DDS, all problems are solved. No hard disk is installed in the client's PC. All clients' PC do not require hard disk to be installed. They are connected via network to server. By installing OS, programs, games and patches to master copy, all client PCs will be updated upon restart. If infected by virus, simply just reboot to get a fresh desktop. Games will be downloaded from data center and ready to be played upon restart. So, you not only save money, recovery becomes fast and easy. Patches are totally centralized deployed. No installation is required. Regardless, if staff is present or not, no more worrying about games being not up to date or repetitive job during update when game fails to patch. Fast game patch and no internet congestion. Smooth gaming, player happy.